Are you the best disposable plates? Disposable plates are an essential product for many households, events, and outdoor gatherings, offering convenience and practicality without the need for cleaning. With a wide range of options available, choosing the right disposable plate can make a significant difference in terms of durability, environmental impact, and overall value. Product number: Dixie Large Paper Plates. The Dixie Large Paper Plates are a versatile option designed for everyday meals, parties, and picnics. Featuring a 10-inch size, these plates are 2x stronger than the leading store brand, with a soak-proof shield to handle greasy and saucy meals. With 204 plates per pack, they offer excellent value for larger households or events. Their microwave-safe and cut-resistant design ensures durability and convenience. In testing, these plates performed well under various conditions, including heavy meals like burgers and pasta. The soak-proof shield effectively prevented leakage, while the cut-resistant surface held up against knife use. However, the 10-inch size may be excessive for lighter meals, and their paper construction, while durable, lacks the eco-friendly appeal of compostable options. Product number: Dixie Medium Paper Plates. The Dixie Medium Paper Plates are the budget-friendly option in this lineup, offering 90 plates at an affordable price of $5.99. With a smaller 8.5-inch size, these plates are ideal for everyday meals and snacks. Like other Dixie products, they are microwave-safe, soak-proof, and cut-resistant, making them a reliable option for casual use. During testing, these plates were found to be durable enough for light to medium meals, such as salads and sandwiches. However, they struggled slightly with heavier meals, such as steak or barbecue, due to their thinner construction compared to premium options. The colorful floral design adds aesthetic appeal but may not suit all occasions. Product number: 100% compostable paper plate Statmans. Compostable paper plates are an eco-friendly option made from sugarcane bagasse, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional paper plates. These 9-inch plates are biodegradable and BPI-certified compostable, making them ideal for environmentally conscious consumers. They are also heavy-duty, microwave-safe, and resistant to oil and cuts. In testing, these plates excelled in handling greasy and saucy meals, with no leakage or bending. Their sturdy construction makes them suitable for both hot and cold foods. However, their natural brown color and slightly rough texture may not appeal to users seeking a more polished appearance for formal events. Additionally, at $22.99, they're one of the pricier options in this comparison. Product number: Dixie Ultra. The Dixie Ultra plates are a premium offering designed for heavy and messy meals. With flex-proof technology and a soak-proof shield, these plates are 3x stronger than the leading store brand. They are microwave-safe, cut-resistant, and commercially compostable, striking a balance between durability and sustainability. These plates performed exceptionally well in testing, withstanding heavy meals like lasagna and ribs without bending or soaking through. Their 10-inch size is ideal for large portions, and their compostable nature adds an eco-conscious element. However, at $23.08, they are the most expensive option in this lineup, which may deter budget-conscious buyers. Product 5. Amazon Basics Everyday Paper Plates. Amazon Basics Everyday Paper Plates offer the highest quantity in this comparison, with 300 plates per pack. These 8.62-inch plates are microwave-safe, soak-proof, and cut-resistant, making them a practical choice for everyday meals, parties, and picnics. Their plain design ensures versatility for various occasions. In testing, these plates performed well for light to medium meals, such as sandwiches and pasta. Their soak-proof shield effectively handled liquids, though they are not as sturdy as premium options for heavier meals. At $15.36, they offer excellent value for high-volume usage, but their thinner construction may not suit all needs.